Getting started with Premia. In this video, I'll show you how to launch your first Premium WordPress plugin. Let's head over to getpremia.com and use the Generate Plugin template form to get your codebase ready. Go ahead and fill in the information required. When you're done, hit the Generate button and unzip the file that just downloaded. Let's have a look inside. I'll open up Visual Studio Code and check out the files that we just downloaded. In here you see a couple of files. The main file, supported by Premia.php with all the code inside. We have the Composer file that has dependencies like the plugin update checker. And we have a Github workflow. In order to customize the plugin, I created a local development environment in which the plugin is added. Let's activate it and start customizing the plugin. So our goal in this video is to add a supported by Premia text to each blog post. Let's start by adding a new filter that hooks into the content. Okay, the base is ready. Time to create a repository on GitHub. Since we're building a premium plugin, make sure to mark it as private. Let's add these files to the repository. Time to create our first release. The template also includes a GitHub workflow to create the correct assets for us. This workflow makes sure that non-essential files are not part of the package that's delivered, and also makes sure that Composer's dependencies are included. Good. Time to prepare our repository for personal access tokens. To start off, we'll include a bot account on this repository. I have a bot account called mkpremium12, so I'll invite this user to the repository. Later on in this video, we'll show you how to add a personal access token for this user. We'll continue on this later. Let's first set up our store from which we'll sell the plugin. I created a website on premiastore.temporarily.com. We'll install and activate Woocommerce and Premia. Let's get Woocommerce installed first. Then we'll go to the Premia website to purchase the plugin. Download the package and go back to your store website. Let's start installing and activating the plugin. We can also enter the license key on the settings page to make sure we'll receive updates in the future. Okay, done. Let's create a new product in Woocommerce. We now have to enter the GitHub API key and repository URL. Let's get back to our bot account and create a personal access token. Copy the token, go back to your Edit Product tab and paste the token in the API field. Then copy the repo URL and paste it in the GitHub API URL field. Now publish the product. Because we're on a brand new install of Woocommerce, we have to add a payment gateway first. Let's set up direct bank transfer for now. Time to test. Let's purchase the Premium plugin. Done. Since we had the direct bank transfer method activated, we do have to confirm the order first. Let's head back to our admin, confirm the order, and then refresh the thank you page. We can now download the plugin and see the license keys. Ready for the next step? Let's go ahead and create a new demo website in which we'll activate the supported by Premia plugin. We'll upload it manually and make sure that it's activated correctly. So activate the plugin, then visit one of the blog posts to see if the text is indeed included. Okay, great, that works. Now, let's publish a new release. We'll make some changes to the code and publish these new changes to Github. Okay, time to create a new release. Publish the release, wait for the action workflow to finish, and then go to your demo website to see if there's any updates available. If it doesn't show directly, then make sure to hit the check again link in the top of the page. As you can see, the update package is not available for us yet. This is because we haven't entered the license key yet. Make sure to copy the license key, paste it, and activate the license. If you go to the plugin page now, you can update the plugin. Let's verify if everything worked by checking the blog post out.